outside, oh! Come outside now! I don't understand. Or is it because you think you have a Benz, this toy? You think you can just be bashing people anyhow? Who is inside this car? What? Come outside! Okay. Somebody wants to answer me now. I'm talking to myself now. Or because you think, oh, you're tinted your glasses now, I cannot see you. I can. Come outside. Come outside and repair this car for me now. God. See my car. Come outside. Okay now, no wahala. Eh? You don't know my boyfriend. That's why you're doing all this nonsense. I'll show you my boyfriend. Let me call my boyfriend for you. Nonsense. What nonsense? Can you just imagine? Okay, oh, no wahala. I will show you. I'm going to show you why they call me Princess Joy today. You will hear where? You will see fire. Baby, you won't believe what just happened to me. Oh, one idiot just barred my car and he's not even coming out of the car. Baby, I want you to come here and say I'm going to send you the address now. You're coming here straight up. Come and deal with him. Deal with whoever is in this car. I can't even see the idiot. He's not even coming now. What disrespect? Okay, I'm waiting. You don't know me. I am Princess Joy. I will deal with you today. If you like, don't come out of this car, my boyfriend is coming. Wait! We go there together. Don't worry.
Now why we dey call am go? Now why he dey always turn up? You know he go turn up. He go turn up.
Call my boyfriend. I feel like don't come outside.
Babe.
Baby,
are you okay?
I'm not okay. Look at, can you imagine? This person just bagged my car and the person is feeling so big to come outside.
You said you bagged your own car?
No, not me. This person in the car.
You mean somebody bagged my babe's car?
Yes.
Somebody bagged my babe's car?
Yes.
And the person said the car?
Yes.
And doesn't want to come out?
Yes.
Hey, will you? Don't worry, babe. Before the count of 5, if he does not come out of the car, babe, you see what I'll do. Count 1 to 5 for me.
1.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
4, 5.
Babe, you are too fast. See, babe, slow it down. Count 1 to 5 so that the person can process it and know it's me that is shouting. Count 1 to 5 for me again, babe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you are hearing it. I am not coming down. Don't worry. Today you will see my rod. I just babe. But there's nobody inside this car now.
Look at my car now. Somebody badged me. How can there not be anybody in this car? Don't look very well.
Can't you see it with me, baby? There's nobody inside this car. I said there's nobody inside it. Oh, so you have been hiding inside this car. You hit my baby and you came to the back to hide. No. Young lady, come out of the car.
No, it wasn't me. Please, I'm sorry.
Young lady, come down from the car. Today you will feel my rods.
Oh my God. I'm very, very sorry. Please, I am sorry. It wasn't my fault. I wasn't the one driving. It was my husband and his reckless driving. Please.
Don't worry, you are trying to play with me. See, I will not touch you because I'm a soldier. For my own reputation. Don't worry. Slap her for me. A dirty one. I trust you.
You slapped me, yes. And I will do it again. Oh my God. You just slapped me. Baby, come outside. You see what you have come from? They're embarrassing me. They're arresting me for no reason. Hey, which baby?
You are joking with us.
Babe, better show yourself or reveal yourself. Let them see you.
Oh, you are playing with me. Don't worry. Jesus.
Jesus!
Oh! So you're not afraid? You have the mind to slap my wife?
No.
Somebody I can die for? Oh, my wife. Sorry, calm down.
She slapped her.
She slap her? No, be you slap her, now she slap her. I will show you Pepe. I will show you Pepe, but before I show you Pepe, let me first descend on your car. Wait there. Use this motor. Awudion, what is your name? Go to my house and wait for me. Move! Go to my house and wait for me. Don't be stupid. Move! Move! Hey, both of you, come back here. Come back here. This guy is going to wait for me. You have the guts to slap my wife.
Lisa.
Baby, calm down. Baby, calm down. Calm down. And for the both of you, see, this will sound as a lesson to the both of you. Next time, you will be too quick to judge people and to slap people. you will collect. This is how the both of you are going to stand till 2029. You don't know anything.
Oh! Modu. Spirit of collect and slap. Give them slap. Give them collect.
Hey!
Let's go, baby.
Why did you slap me?
Ah, my back!
Baby, I slapped my eye.
What is that, John?
I can't move. I can't move. Ah, baby, they have slapped my eye. They have slapped my eye. Ah, baby, they have slapped my second. You are slapping me on top. Ah, baby, you are slapping me on top the slap. Take your own.
Ah.